We don't have a huge fleet, but the fleet we have has to be as versatile as possible. We looked at, everything from, operation RPMs to lift capacity.
It's got great lifting capacity for the size it has. The weight is distributed perfectly. I never have any problem lifting stuff up. I can lift the same amount at half throttle as I can do as wide open, which is really nice. So you can keep it nice, smooth movements and everything.
One of the major job duties is street patching, and that plays into a mill planer, grinding off that 2 inches of asphalt. Contracting that kind of work out is very expensive, so if we have smaller patches, we want to do that in-house when we can. The biggest in-class cab, I have a 6'9" guy on staff, so I took that in consideration.
First thing I noticed right away sitting in the machine, the comfort in there. The cab is nice and big. You don't feel like you're cramped up or anything, and air ride seat is great. The next thing I noticed when I was operating the machine was ride control. If you're hauling a load across the yard or something, you don't want to spill gravel everywhere, you hit that button and just perfect. That boom in the bucket moves with you, and that is the coolest thing in my mind. Important to me, the way when you get into skid loader, it's not a chore. Most people say getting in and out of the skid loader is always a pain. But in this skid loader, it's so low and it's a simple step. And when it's low like that, you can see what you're stepping on. Most other skid loaders, you find whatever nook and cranny you can step on to get out and in. Visibility on this machine is top notch. Just being able to see the front of the bucket real nice, seeing over the bucket, seeing what you're actually doing in front. Side to side view is great. I can't tell you the truth, I haven't been in a skid loader that's been better than this.
That lighting package is just, not only is it a great value, but it allows us to safely, operate that machine in heavy traffic, late at night, all sorts of areas.
I worked on a lot of equipment, and this stands out. It's so easy to maintain it. It's not a chore anymore. The access of the filters and the fact that all the fluids drain from one point is great. You're not inside the engine, digging somewhere you can't see. It's so simple, just getting filters on and off, draining all the fluids. I've been operating skid loaders ever since I was 10 years old. I've operated pretty much every skid loader they make. I tell you what, the case stands out.